Users can manage these devices through these same smart home hubs like Google, Alexa, Siri, allowing for hands-free control with voice commands or app-based convenience. The small but powerful plug transforms everyday items into smart devices, seamlessly integrating them into your home ecosystem. Finally, the MaxLiteHome Smart LED bulb is all about personalization and energy efficiency. This bulb can be adjusted across a wide temperature range from 2700 Kelvin to 6500, and these colors can easily be customized within the Tuya app. Whether you need soft lighting for a cozy evening or bright light for productivity, the smart bulb delivers ultimate flexibility, all controlled either by voice or by app. Go to the next slide, please. So the consumer value proposition is what sets the MaxLiteHome Starter Kit apart from the competition is its alignment with key consumer priorities. Energy efficiency. Our kit goes beyond traditional solutions like just smart bulbs. With features that allow you to control multiple devices remotely, the Power Strip plug and bulb offer a low-cost entry into energy efficiency for all homes, including those with low incomes. In fact, we're proud to share that since this award was announced, we have 12 new utility energy efficiency programs that have adopted this kit to meet energy targets by 2025. Also, load management and demand flexibility. Consumers can remotely turn off load devices during any demand response events that they are notified about, even when they're away from home. This ability to manage energy usage in real time not only helps households save on electricity bills, but also contributes to the greater goal of reduced grid strain. And certainly consumer convenience. The app and voice control features make saving energy easy and accessible. By simply using your voice or a quick tap to your smartphone, you can turn off devices or adjust lighting with no hassle. This adds comfort to your home while supporting energy efficiency efforts. And certainly security and privacy. We understand that data security is a top concern for our consumers. That's why all user data is securely stored in US-based servers, thus ensuring your privacy is always protected. Next. Certainly the market adoption is very important. In recognition of the MaxLiteHome Smart Home Starter Kit's value to both consumers and utility programs, it has received this special recognition for its role in helping low-income households access affordable, energy-efficient solutions. Our partnerships with utility programs ensure this kit is reaching consumers who need it the most, driving adoption across various markets. These products are currently available in utility programs, Amazon, as well as MaxLiteConsumer.com web portal. In conclusion, this MaxLiteHome Smart Home Starter Kit offers an excellent balance of convenience, energy savings, and affordability. It empowers consumers to control their homes in smarter, more sustainable ways while making energy-efficient technologies accessible to a wider audience. Thank you for your time today, and we're excited to see how this Smart Home Starter Kit will continue to make homes smarter, greener, and more convenient.